Hi guys, let's unbox my first ever camera together. I am so excited to be unboxing this camera because I've wanted it for so long. 2 months ago, I went to the DJI store in Birmingham to check the camera, and I also showed you guys some of the amazing features this camera has. Spoke to the attendant, he walked me through the camera, and ever since then I have wanted it so bad. I've watched so many videos on YouTube, so many reviews, and I made up my mind that I was going to get this camera. The last time I went to the store, I only came back home with this, hoping and praying that I will be able to afford it. And today, I'm happy to finally tell you guys that I have my camera here with me. Oh my god. I am so happy. If you have been following me along my content creation journey, you would know how much I love vlogging and how much I love putting myself out there. And I just feel like this camera is the next step for my content creation game. It's about to be lit. Do not mind me that I am using my pen to unbox this, but in this video, I'll be unboxing the camera with you. I'll be doing some test vlog with the camera, and I'll also be sharing with you the reason why I went for the creator combo instead of the standard version of the camera. So the creator combo basically came with some other accessories, and all of that will be shared with you in this video. So let's get to the unboxing. I've never owned a camera in my life, and I cannot believe that I am finally able to afford one, and I am holding it right now with me. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera. It's the creator combo, which no worries. Plugged it at 8:41 and it's currently at 48%. We'll see how fast it truly charged. It's 9:34 now and it's 100% fully charged. I think it wasn't fast enough because I didn't use the cable that came with it. I used my normal cable that I used to charge my other things. But also my SD card just came from Amazon and it's late now, so I'm unable to do anything now, and I will be inserting this into the camera tomorrow and I will be shooting some test clips. Just today I'm taking my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on a test to see how it's going to perform. So currently the lighting is bad and it still looks bright. The footage looks good, at least according to what I see here now. The camera is super easy to use. It's really flexible and easy to control and easy to direct. Like everything is just easy, and the fact that it has a touch screen that you can control the things that you need to do about the camera, it just makes life easy. I can switch the camera from looking at me to the other direction with just one button. I can switch the modes that I'm shooting in with just one button, like just pressing on the screen and boom. For example, I'm gonna switch the camera to the back so you can see how fast and quick it does that. So boom, and it stabilizes itself. Like it just switch and it stabilizes itself. Like there is no staggering or anything. Currently I'm working now and you can see how steady the footage is. I'm heading to school now and we'll see how it does. Although I don't like the lighting situation, I feel like it can be better, but yeah, this is what I have to work with. I'm currently using the Osmo, the DJI Mic 2 that came with the creator combo, and yeah, you guys will be able to tell if the audio is perfect. I've made some couple of videos with the microphone, and to me, I think the microphone works really well. It captures voice and cancels external noise, which is good. But yeah, we will see. And I like the fact that I'm testing out this camera outdoor. People are walking around me and I can just hold my camera and record, and I don't have to like raise my voice or scream because I have my microphone and it's doing a good job at capturing my voice really well. Actually, I think I'm going to try to record without the microphone and see if it does well. So the microphone is now disconnected and I'm recording on just the camera itself. I have the noise cancellation put on the camera, so I'll see if when I watch the playback, I'll be able to tell if it really cancels the noise and if the audio of the camera itself is good. I am currently recording on both my camera and my phone, and we'll just compare the footage. It looks really good on both. I used the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and yeah, so in comparison with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, we'll see how well it does. The Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo also came with a wide lens that can attach to the camera magnetically so that you can film wide range. So I'm going to try that out now. This is what the lens looks like, and you just attach this part to the camera. So I'm going to do that now. Okay. Oh yeah. Can you see any difference? I'm not sure if I can see any difference, but let me try again. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I think I see a difference in using the wide angle lens. And if I double tap on my face on the screen or activate the selfie mode on the camera can track me. So look at this. Active track enabled, and if I just go like this, see? The camera follows me, which is a very nice feature to have, because sometimes you might be doing something and then you shift out of frame and then the camera just automatically follows you, which is super great. That means you don't have to worry when you're editing that you have gone out of frame and then you have to reshoot. You know, it can be very stressful and very annoying. So the wide angle, the active tracking, it's like a very good feature. Another good reason to have this camera. So I'm gonna switch my lens now to see what's going on the outside. Also, there are different color modes that you can record in. One of them is D-Log M. Currently, I'm shooting in the normal color, but according to the experts on YouTube, they said if you shoot in D-Log M, then you are able to correct the colors of the clip. Like, it just maintains the color in the clip, and then you are able to edit it and add any filter, and it just come out really great. So I'm going to shoot in D-Log M and see and try to autocorrect. I don't know anything about color correction, right? But according to DJI, you can color correct in the Meaux app. So whatever footage that I shoot in D-Log M, I'm going to try to color correct them on the Meaux app and see if it comes out great. I'm doing all of this because some of us, like me, we just want to vlog. We don't know any setting, nothing about the camera. So it's good to know that you are not alone. There's someone also struggling to know how to use the camera, which is nice. But yeah. I am now walking to school. Time is 12:25. I am no longer shy to film on the road. Oh my god. It's just really so nice and handy. I know, like, I think I noticed like there were some few glances and people wondering what I'm holding, but KMT. KMT.